My name is Mike Clark. I'm the owner of Wholesale Mortgage Services. The whole idea of wholesale mortgage services, we came up with this concept years ago, is to save people money. We always thought that the big banks and the big mortgage companies charge too much. Once we saw the markup on what really takes place in the mortgage world, we figured we could slash those costs. So wholesale mortgage, just the name, as the name implies, we're offering wholesale pricing. We came up with this idea to compete against the internet loans. So we offer an in-town person to help you with your financing and help you answer questions, and you get to talk to a live body, and we price it as if you had to deal with an online operation. So that you get the best of both worlds. You get the savings and you get a live person here in town. You can look in the eye and they'll walk you right through the process. We know, even when we get loans for our own properties, when we're in the business, it's stressful. It's a stressful time in your life. And you need somebody on your team who's done this before. Elena here, you may have seen her on TV. She has closed thousands and thousands of loans here in Northern Nevada. She's got thousands of satisfied customers, people that you can talk to, people that'll testify that she's done a good job. She saves them money. She walks them through one of the most stressful times in their lives, is buying a house or refinancing a house or getting a real estate loan. It's a stressful time, but with somebody who's closed thousands of loans, they understand the intricacies, they understand how to get through the process. They're your guide, they're your interpreter. They take you through the process. Elena, as you're working with people, you've been able to save them money, you've been able to take them out of stressful situations, and they get their dream home, or they get to refinance and lower their payments. To tell us some examples of saving money for employees of banks, and saving money for employees of credit unions, and local escrow officers themselves who see other companies come to us. Give us some examples of that. I know we're not going to say the names, but we're not going to say it on camera, but it's factual, and we can prove that.
Yeah. We've had several families come to us that, like Mike mentioned, work for big banks here and local credit unions, and both of them, even with their employee discounts, can't match the pricing that wholesale mortgage can provide in terms of your interest rate and in terms of your loan fees. Many of them, we can save thousands of dollars in fees, and on average about 1/4 to 0.5% in interest rate, which adds up to a lower house payment for you. Because ultimately all this is about is what makes sense for your family, and there's no reason to overpay on a home loan. If you can save money and still receive that premium service by walking in and asking for our help anytime, we're happy to do that. We love working for families in our Northern Nevada community. I always tell everybody I enjoy seeing my clients at the grocery store and feeling good about my job, because I know that we're really helping people. And like Mike said, we've helped thousands of families here, and we'd love to help you as well.
We don't charge points. We don't charge origination fees. So right away, we're saving you thousands of dollars with that. You know, 1 or 2 points of the loan amount. If you had to pay 2 points of a loan amount and it was a $300,000 loan, there's $6,000 right there. We don't charge points. So there's savings. So it doesn't cost anything. It doesn't damage your credit scores. It's an easy process. Within 15 or 20 minutes, we'll tell you whether we can save you money or not. We don't remember a time where we couldn't save people money, and you could prove it to yourself. I mean, who needs the money more? You and your family, or a big bank? So take it upon yourself to call us, and let's keep everybody honest. Everybody, when you go out shopping for something, you need a second opinion. You go to a different car lot, you look around, you look online, you do some research. It's very difficult for the average consumer to do research on mortgage loans, but we'll help you, we'll show you, we'll put it in writing, and we can prove to you we can save you money.
Right. It's super common for realtors to have relationships with some of the big name mortgage companies here in town. Unfortunately, those relationships have costs created between the two, and that inflates the costs that are passed on to the consumer. We don't have any situations like that. So because of that, we frequently have realtors walk into our office with clients in distress because they were promised a certain interest rate or a certain amount of closing costs, but when it came down to signing, they were completely lied to, frankly. So we can come in and fix that situation for many people, make it more affordable, and make it so that you can get into your home comfortably in a less stressful environment. That's our main goal for everybody.
So the more informed you are as a consumer, as a borrower, the better you'll understand what we're doing. When you shop and compare prices, and you'll see, and the numbers don't lie. We can prove to you that we can save you money. Give us a call. Thank you.